creating vertical text. So I want to move my playhead to where I want my text to be. And then I'm going to come over here in my tool panel. And over here I have two text tools. One is just for plain typing horizontal text. The other one's for vertical. I'm going to come over here, drag my rectangle text box, and then I'm going to click in here and I'm just going to type in something like tall. Okay, and all I'm going to do is just click outside of it, and you can see, oops, I added another one. I clear that one. You can see over here I've picked it. I can make changes to this now, my alignment, my text type. You know, I can come in here and change it to whatever it may be, an Arial or whatever, and I can change my appearances, etc. But this is how we get the tall signage type of a look, and this is creating vertical text.